let us solve problem number 28. For the matrix, they have given some matrix. One of the eigenvalue they have given directly as -2. That means 3 minus lambda minus 2 minus lambda 1 minus lambda. We will write that thing. Then they are saying directly as one eigenvalue is -2. So directly I can do -2 here and I can find the eigenvector related to -2. Come on, do 3 minus 2 is how much? 1 minus 2 2 0 minus 2 minus of -2 0 1 then 0 0 1 minus 2 1 minus of -2 3. Okay, now x1 x2 x3. Here first, if you are getting any confusion, write minus lambda minus lambda minus lambda. Now substitute the values of lambda and you will get this matrix x1 x2 x3 0 0 0. Now start formulating the equations. What you will get? x1 from first row, x1 minus 2x2 plus 2x3 equal to 0. From second row I can write x3 equal to 0. From third row also I can write x3 equal to 0. But I don't have any value for x2. So let us assume x2 equal to what? K. Come on. I know x3 0, x2 k. Substitute in the equation. So x1 is we don't know. x2 is 2k plus 2x3 is 0 equal to 0. So x1 equal to 2k. x1 equal to x3 is I am getting here you will get 5. Okay, 3 minus lambda it will be 5 5x1 minus 2k plus 0 5x1. Now this will become 2k by 5. Come on, start writing vector x1 x2 x3. x1 is how much? x1 is how much? 2k by 5. x2 is how much? K. x3 is 0. Take out k. Okay, then that will become 2 by 5 1 0. Now in order to eliminate fractions I will multiply 5. So come on, multiply 5. If I multiply 5 2 5 0, so the vector is 2 5 0. Which option? Option D is correct. Next, problem number 29. The eigenvector of P is, which of the following is eigenvector for P? Okay, so first find the eigenvalues. I will tell whenever there are zeros like this 0 0 and 0, directly we can tell the eigenvalues are this thing. Okay, that means if you have some matrix A B C 0 D E 0 0 F, if you have like this, if you are getting lower triangle, then we can tell eigenvalues as A D F. So lambda 1 is how much for this matrix? 29th matrix. Lambda 1 is 1, lambda 2 is 2, lambda 3 is 3. First write the matrix like this: 1 minus lambda 1 0 0 2 minus lambda 0 0 0 3 minus lambda. Okay, so come on, substitute lambda as 1 case 1 because we have to find vector for this, which will be the vector for this matrix. They have given 4 options in case of like they have given in transpose form. Okay, so lambda is 1, substitute lambda as 1 0 1 0 0, lambda as 1 1 0 0 0 2. Okay, hope you are getting this. Come on, then x1 x2 x3 0 0 0. Now what you will get? Here, from here I am getting x2 0, from second row also I am getting x2 0, from third row I am getting x3 0, x1 0 x2 0. x1 we don't know, that's why I can take x1 k. Come on, start formulating vector x1 x2 x3. Then it will be x1 k x2 0 0, take out k 1 0 0. If I write in transpose form 1 0 0 transpose, do we have any option like this? No. That means, do we have any option like this? That means we have to go for case 2. Come on, go for case 2. Case 2. Okay, case 2, if lambda equal to 2, if lambda equal to 2, come on, substitute lambda equal to 2 minus 1 1 0. If I substitute lambda equal to 2, but I will get minus 1 1 0. I am writing matrix here. Minus 1 1 0. Again I will get what? Okay, I will get 0 0 2 and 0 0 1. I can write x1, x2, x3, and that thing I will make it to 0 because this is the way we are finding vectors. So from first row minus x1 plus x2 equal to 0. From second row x3 is 0. From third row also x3 is 0. But we don't know x2. That's why I am assuming x2 as k. Substitute here minus x1 plus k equal to 0. Then x1 minus x1 equal to minus k. x1 equal to k. So x1, x2, x3. Then what I will get? x1 is k, x2 is k, x3 is 0. Take out k. 1 0 0 write in transpose form. Sorry, 1 1 0 1 1 0 transpose. Do we have any option like this? 1 1 0 transpose? No, we don't have. Then go for case 3 also. Case 3 is what? Lambda equal to 3. After substituting lambda equal to 3, what are the values you are getting? Minus 2 1 0 0 minus 1 2 0 0 0. Then equate it to x1 x2 x3, equate it to 0 0 0. Now what I will get? Minus 2x1 plus x2 equal to 0. From second row minus x2 plus x3 equal to 0. From third row, can we conclude anything? No, we cannot conclude anything. So we don't know anything. That's why take any one of values as k. Let us take x1 as k. I will take x1 as k. So if I take x1 as k, I will get x2. Substitute x1 as k here. Minus 2k plus x2 equal to 0. x2 will become 2k. Okay, x2 I got. Substitute x2 here. Minus 2k plus x3 equal to 0. x3 is also 2k. Okay. Minus x2 2k minus 2k plus x3. Okay, minus x2. This is 2x3. So 2x3. So x3 will become k. Now start writing one more time like that only. Write vector. Okay. Start writing like vector x1, x2, x3. Then from here x1 value is k, x2 is 2k, x3 is k. Take out k. I will get 1 2 1. Write in transpose form 1 2 1 transpose. Do we have any option like this? 1 2 1 transpose. 1 2 1 transpose. Yes, we have. Okay, next problem number 30. It is very easy problem. I can do here itself. Come on, do here only. What is the trace? Trace is 7. Which value gives you 7? This is one option. This is also one case. This won't give you 7. So I will just eliminate these two. Then again det. What is det? 5 2s are 10. 4, 10 minus 4, 6. 6 1s are 6. So this is the option correct. If we take 10, we will get the product. But we should get 6. So option B is correct. Next problem number 31. Problem number 31. Two eigenvalues of 3 cross 3 matrix are. They are saying two eigenvalues of 3 cross 3 matrix. 2 root over minus 1 and 3. These are the two eigenvalues of 3 cross 3 P matrix. So this is 2 root 1 means I can write 2 plus r minus I and 3. Okay. So then they are asking determinant of P. If you have eigenvalues, if you know eigenvalues are 2 plus I, 2 minus I and 3. If you know eigenvalues are 3, then how will you find out determinant of P? As we know, product of eigenvalues is equal to determinant of matrix. So if we do product of these 3 eigenvalues, that is indirectly determinant. So that is directly determinant. So 2 plus I, do product 2 plus I into 2 minus I into 3. That will be determinant of matrix P. Okay. So 2 plus I into 2 minus I, a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square into 3. That is determinant. So determinant of matrix P is equal to 2a square is 4, I square is minus 1, minus of minus 1 is plus. So 5 into 3, that is 15. So problem number 31 is 15. You have to substitute in the blank. Okay.